Hello, this is Mike Foreman with Game Plan Retirement with another episode of Let's Ask Mike. Thank you for tuning in. Today, I thought I'd talk about the yield curve, a conversation that's come up quite a bit recently and over the years as well. Interestingly, interest rates have pretty much dropped my entire career. That's changed a little bit recently, and who knows exactly what the future holds. But one of my missions is to arm people with all the information they need to understand what options they have and make the best decisions they can. So today I wanted to talk about the yield curve. So I'm going to share a graph here from my screen. And this shows a normal yield curve, which, so over here on the left, we have the yield, which goes up as you go up on the graph. And then this at the bottom is maturity. So the further to the right you go, the longer term, the maturity. So by short, we mean a year, 6 months, or even less. And by long term, we mean 10 years, 20 years, even up to 30 years. And these are different bond maturities. And so it makes sense that this would be how the normal yield curve looks, because people kind of demand a higher interest rate if if their money is going to be tied up for a longer period of time. Now, I also want to show you what's called an inverted yield curve. So what happens is sometimes, especially when interest rates are changing, short-term interest rates can actually be higher than long-term interest rates. And when that happens, a lot of folks interpret that negatively. And there are different types of investments that perform differently in that kind of environment. And so today I just really wanted to explain what those two terms are in case you hear them. And if you want to talk about how the yield curve might affect your investments, please feel free to reach out. Or if you have any other questions that you think might fit with Let's Ask Mike, or just in general, happy to help you any way I can, trying to arm the world with as much information as it needs so that we can all be more successful and accomplish more of our goals. So thank you very much for tuning in to Let's Ask Mike, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Thanks again. Bye-bye.